So in this question, we are asked to find these two ratios, OE over ED and AE over ED. So we know that based on the ratios here, okay, lambda AE equals to AD. Okay, and to find AD, I make use of the ratio theorem. I look at this triangle here. Okay, I will just take 1 multiplied to AO plus 1 multiplied to AC over 2. That will give me AD, and AE would be just using ratio theorem as well. Looking at this triangle over here, right, is 1 minus x multiplied to AO plus x multiplied to AB. Okay, and divided by 1, because 1 minus x plus x is just 1. Right, so here I will, since OA is A and OB is B. Okay, so OA is A. Okay, and so lambda 1 minus x, since OA is A, AO is minus A, plus x. This would be AB would be OB minus OA, so will be B minus A. And then we have AO is minus A, right? And plus AC. AC is 2/3 of AB. And divided by 2, instead of dividing by 2, I multiply 2 to the other side. So then when we expand this, we have minus 2a lambda, or I rather write it as minus, okay, 2 lambda multiplied to 1 is 2 lambda, multiplied to minus a is minus 2 lambda a. Okay, minus 2 lambda x multiplied to minus a would be plus 2 lambda x a. Okay, plus xb, so will be 2 lambda xb, and minus xa would be minus 2 lambda xa equals to minus a plus 2/3. AB is just OB minus OA, so it's B minus A. And so to further simplify, we see that this is minus 2 lambda xa and 2 lambda xa, so they will cancel off each other, and then we will have minus 2 lambda A plus 2 lambda xb. Okay, this will equals to, when I simplify the right hand side, minus a minus 2/3 a would give me minus 5 over 3a, then plus 2/3 b. Okay, now we compare the scalar in front of the vector. Alright, I compare this to this, and I compare this to this. This results in minus 2 lambda equals to minus 5 over 3, because those are the scalar in front of the vector A. And then we have also 2 lambda x equals to 2/3, because those are the scalar in front of the vector B. And based on that, this would give me minus 5 over 3 divided by minus 2 will give me 5 over 6 equals to lambda. So lambda equals to 5 over 6, and using this result, I substitute into the equation 2. This means that 2 multiplies to 5 over 6 is just 5 over 3x. So 5 over 3x equals to 2/3. And this results in x equals to 2/5. Right, 3 multiplied and then okay, so x equals to 2/5. Knowing that x equals to 2/5, this changes the ratio. Let's say you see the triangle, if I redraw it, this becomes, okay, so lambda is, since my lambda is 5/6, okay, so this part is 5/6 and this part would be 1/6. Okay, then x is 2/5, so x is 2/5 and 1 minus x would be 3/5. And now if we go back to the ratio OE over ED, which is OE OE over ED, or maybe I got the question wrong. Give me a minute, I'm going to check the question. Is OE over EB, sorry, the question is OE over EB. Okay, OE over EB, so OE over EB would be equals to 2/3. Okay, and next, AE over ED, AE over ED would be 1 over ED would be just 1/6 of ratio, so this would be 6. So this gives us the 2 answer.